Hey guys, welcome to another video, and as promised, today we're going to be taking a look at the Elgato Shock Mount. That's right, it finally arrived. Amazon came through, so today we're going to be unboxing this, and I'll do a quick demonstration mounting it to my Wave mic over here, so enjoy. Okay, so we've got the shock mount over here. For such a small item, this is a massive box, but let's get right into it. Let's get this open very carefully. Perfect. Whoops. Wonder Woman lost the shield. I'll put that back later. Awesome sauce. Okay. Right, so in the box you get this and a booklet. Right, so installation instructions basically. Yeah, that's fine, I think. Yes, just a bunch of installation instructions. Can barely see that. Very cool. So I'll keep this on the side. Here it is in all its glory. Oh, fantastic. It looks and feels very solid. Feels very well made. Looks like I'll get lots of decent isolation for the Wave using this. So I would connect my secondary microphone to my PC and we'll continue this video with an installation. Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to be installing this on my microphone now, so hopefully I can make sense of some of these instructions over here. So first off, we disconnect it and of course take off the boom arm like so. Cool. I'll take the pop filter off as well. Let's get this adapter off as well. So one thing I noticed is it's got the smaller adapter pre-installed. So I guess if you have a boom arm that fits that perfectly like mine does, you're good to go. If not, you might have to get rid of the adapter they put in there. So you'd have to plug that in and then of course twist it counterclockwise or clockwise, either or, to get that out. Yeah, so I think it's pretty straightforward. Looks very solid, feels very solid. The next step is to unscrew the Wave from its original stand. So I'm going to do that real quick. There we go. And for the other side, there we go. Yeah, got it. Yeah, easy to take off, I think. Yeah, I'm actually quite impressed by how well built the Elgato Wave 3 is, and I'd assume the Wave 1 is the same. They really had all those components in mind before, while making it, so clearly they expected you to expand it with different modules. So of course I have to put this replace this where the stand was. Yep, I think I can just about fit it in there. Okay, yeah, that actually was much easier than I was expecting, which is good. So I'll just put the screws back in and we should be good to go. Right, this is kind of awkward. You've got very little space in between the boom. Do you see that gap? It's very little space to twist the screw, but we'll try our best to get it done. Okay, I think I've got the first one in. It's got to be very stable, so I'll do the other one now. Also, it might take a while because again, you haven't got that much room to maneuver. So I'm trying my best to just screw it in a little bit at a time. Almost there. We're getting there. Yes. Perfect. So I think I'm holding it this way. Yeah, it seems to be solid. You could tighten it if you want, but you just need to make sure that it's stable. So now I'm going to put this in. Oh no, I think I need this. That was my mistake. So of course, turns out I needed the adapter from the original Wave 3 packaging. So this adapter, if you've got this, you should be fine. For the boom arm I've got anyway. So let's put that back in. Fantastic. And yeah, let's screw that on. You've got to get very careful here because you don't want this expensive microphone dropping. But we're fine guys. We did it. This looks good. I'm not sure if this was worth the money, but I would boy, I would expect it to sound the same. There's not much low end in my voice anyway, so then very carefully slide the sound filter back in. Weird. Right, okay. So I think you have to sort of go in and faff with it a bit. So essentially you have to really get the sound filter, the pop filter, right up in there. Make sure that you don't break off any of the plastic holding the boom arm together. So, but other than that, it wasn't too much of a faff, to be honest. It fits in snugly as a single unit, and yeah, look at that. It's looking a lot more professional than when I first got it. So let's just tighten that round one more time. Fantastic. Okay, it's definitely heavier now. Oh my word, definitely heavier. Okay, let's plug that back in, and we'll do another sound test in a moment. There we go. There we go. Fantastic. So I'll be right back with the sound test. Welcome back. As promised, we're going to do a quick sound test with the shock mount on a boom arm. I'll try to bang on my desk to see if that affects it. I don't think there's any rumble. I'm shaking the desk a bit. I'm tapping on the arm. Yeah, I think it sounds okay. It's well isolated and, as expected, very well built. But the question is it worth the money? Guys, I'll be honest with you here. I'm not hearing any major difference. If you're not the kind of person who's going to faff around with your workspace, and there aren't going to be any vibrations, you kicking things or stamping heavily on the floor, you haven't got like loads of family members streaming in and out, or you haven't got those wooden floors that pass on vibrations anytime someone walks by, I'm not really seeing why you need to spend $40 on this. Oh my god, $40. It's well built, don't get me wrong, and I'll just turn this around and show you. It's very well built. Snaps on nicely to the pop filter. If you can see over on the side over there, you can just about make out the the very tight, very specific fit. So I don't think you can use a second or a third party product with this. But hey, don't get me wrong, this is well made. I can't wait for like a year or two when this microphone really gains traction. That's assuming no one else builds a software similar to Wavelink or brings out a product with an inbuilt sub mixer like the Wave has. I'm guessing by next year, HyperX, Blue or Snowball, yeah, it's Blue, my bad, all those companies are probably going to be coming out with theirs. Maybe Go XLR as well, coming out with a software solution for those people who do not want to invest tons of money. And who knows, maybe this will be dead and pointless, but assuming it's not, I'm imagining there'll be a lot of knockoffs ready at a much cheaper price for this microphone, given that it's completely modular. So we'll see how that goes, but you guys let me know if you think this is worth the money. Personally, I would say it's not. It's very nice to have. If you've got spare cash lying around, definitely go for it. But if you've got something else to do with your money, save your money. That's my verdict on this. But yeah, it's well built. I can't complain. Looks nice. It makes my microphone look really good, but it also skyrockets the total price of my microphone to over $200, which is way more expensive than the Quadcast over here and way more expensive than the Snowball Blue. So yeah, it's a tough sell. I'll say that. But hey, other than that, fantastic microphone. So yeah, that's been it, guys. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Don't be shy. I always respond to all the comments. So if you need me to do further tests, I'm more than happy to take my time and make a bigger video, a longer video, running through whatever test you feel I should run through with the shock mount or the pop filter, or the mic on its own. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section right below the like button. And of course, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, be fantastic. Peace.